Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we will solve a problem related to laws of motion. In the given pulley system, find the acceleration of all the masses, and find the tension in all the strings. Before getting into the question, let's first understand few concepts which will help us in solving the problem. Let's first start with tension. Basically, when a string is pulled from both the sides, a restoring force is generated which creates the tension. That means, string will also try to pull the object which is applying pulling force on it. Now comes the next part. We will use this simple formula to solve any pulley problem. The idea is to follow some sign convention and find the sum of all the applied forces on any given mass and equate it with product of its mass and its acceleration. Let's find the net force acting on the block of mass 2 kg and put it to the formula to get its acceleration. We will go through few scenarios to understand it better. Let's first find out the net force acting on the block of mass 1 kg and put it to same formula. Only tension and a gravitational force are acting. Since the acceleration of block is 0, here tension will be equals to its weight. Let's look at second scenario. In this case, the weight is different on both sides. Both the block will be moving with same magnitude of acceleration. On block 1 only tension and gravitation force are acting. Putting it to formula will give the equation for mass 1. Similarly for block 2, we can get its equation. Using both equation we can find the acceleration and tension. Now let's look at the final scenario. In this case pulley is also moving downward with some acceleration. The acceleration of blocks with respect to ground will be the sum of acceleration of pulley and the block. Basically we get this from the concept of relative motion. Putting it to formula will give the equation for both blocks. Finally, let's get back to the question. In this system M1 and M2 are attached with one string and pulley 1 and M3 are attached with different string. Therefore tension will be different on both strings. Also, acceleration of pulley 1 and M3 would be same. Now let's find the net force on every object and apply the same formula. On M3, tension and gravitational force are acting. On pulley 1, since its mass is 0, only tension is getting applied from both the strings. On M1 and M2 also, only tension and gravitation force is getting applied. We can put the net force of all objects to the formula and get equation for all the objects. Now that we have 4 equations and 4 variables, we can easily find the acceleration of all the block and tension on all strings. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.